Hi, I'm here with Dennis Earley from Premier Magnetics. And in the power area, magnetics is a really hot topic because the magnetics are often a principal source of losses. But Dennis has something here to talk about in terms of a planar transformer that sounds very interesting. So Dennis, talk to us about that.
Thanks, Lee. So really driven by customer demand, we have launched a new line of planar transformers. We actually have a line of planar inductors that are in the works to follow. The driving force, again, was customer request for it. We are known in the industry as power specialists. There was a bit of a void in our product offering by not having planar. As you know, it provides improved switching frequency and allows us to provide a product that works well in the higher power applications.
How do you make a planar transformer?
Totally different process from the wire wound transformers with a bobbin and a core. We've got steel on an actual PCB, which allows for consistency in manufacturing.
What kind of specs do you get out of a planar transformer?
So right now our initial offering is up to 250 watts. And we have a standard offering for our customers, but really where we're seeing the most inquiries so far is for custom designs. We can support customers with standard product offering, or more often we're supporting customers with custom solutions.
Besides the higher frequency response, does a planar transformer behave the same as a wire wound transformer?
So there are some differences. The biggest difference we're seeing so far is performance-wise, we're having efficiency up to 99%. Obviously, some of that depends on the rest of the customer's circuit, but that's pretty remarkable as compared to our normal power product.
So what's the highest power range that you can provide with a planar transformer?
Currently, we're providing up to 250 watts. We have in the plans to go up to 500 in the near future.
So if somebody wants to find more information on this, where do they go?
They can come to our website where we have the data sheet for the new planar transformer line, and that would be premiermag.com.
Awesome. Well, it's a very interesting development. It's sure going to help power supply designers trying to get at those higher frequencies.
I agree, and thank you so much for coming by to talk with us.
Thanks, Dennis.
Thanks, Lee.